1, 2, 3. Ready? Exercise number 21. Do you think you will be rich enough to retire when you reach the age of 50? You will be rich if you can retire with enough money to live on. Full stop. We can show you how you can buy a life annuity for a low outlay now. Full stop. How would your family fare if you should die now? Can you leave enough for them to live on? We are now issuing a new life policy which will make it easy for you to do. Full stop. What you would wish, you can take out the policy for a low charge. Full stop. We know you will take it. Would you like to see it? If so, comma, write your date of birth below and mail the form today. Full stop.